Hey, what's going on, guys? It's the ATL Flipper, and welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you guys some of the footage of some items I picked up at a thrift store this past weekend. So let's go ahead and get into it. Before we do, I want you guys to go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get it. Just walked into the first thrift store and already picked up some heat. These are a pair of Jordan Retro Cement 4s, size 13C and taller, and they were asking $8 for it, but I could flip these guys easily for $40 on eBay. The next item I picked up was this gray North Face hoodie. They're asking $4 for it, and I could flip this on eBay for around $35 to $40. Then I picked up another men's North Face jacket, and they were asking $5 for it, and I could flip this on eBay for around $40 to $45. But actually, if I wait until winter time, and I can get a little bit more for it, but I'm gonna go ahead and list it now because I have a lot of items that I need to get listed. Then I picked up this long sleeve polo shirt. They were only asking $3 for it, and I could probably flip this for around $30 to $35 on eBay. And striped polo shirts actually do very well on eBay, so I went ahead and picked it up. Now we're in our next thrift store, and the first item I picked up was this men's 1/4 zip master sweater. Guys, if you see this master sweater anywhere, pick it up because right now they're selling really well on eBay, especially because it's golf season. Then I went to the shoe section and found these Jordan Retro 1s, size 9C and taller, and they were only asking $3 for them. So you guys already know I had to pick these up, and I can actually flip these for around $40 on eBay. And then right beside those Jordans was a pair of Nike Air Maxes, size 9C and taller, and they were only asking $3 for them, and I could probably get around $25 to $30 for these after I clean them up on eBay. And then I picked up these orange Timberland boots, size 9C. I just believe that the same person donated all three of these shoes. So they were asking $5 for them, and I went ahead and picked it up because, you know, $5 for a pair of orange Timberland boots, can't beat that. And I could probably flip them on eBay for around $30 to $35. Then I picked up these Nike Air Force 1s, and these actually already sold. I paid $6 for these, and these sold within 2 to 3 days. And then the next item I picked up was these Air Force 1s high tops. And actually when I went to go check out, somebody donated them, and the cashier was like, hey, you can go ahead and take these with you too, bro. So you already know I had to take them, free inventory. And these Timberlands also were free. They were with those Air Force 1s, and he actually gave me both of these shoes for free. So, you know, I gave him a dab and was like, appreciate that, homie. So I took these, you know, back to the house, and I'm gonna get these listed because I could probably make around $60 to $70 for these. Then I picked up these On Cloud black shoes, and these actually sold the same day. And I know in the past video of one of the videos I did of what sold, these actually sell really well on eBay. So if you ever see On Cloud, if they don't have any holes in them, if they're clean, if the bottom sole is still has some life in it, go ahead and pick it up because these sell really well on eBay. All right, let's go and head out to our next thrift store. All right, guys, I'm in the next Goodwill, and as I was walking in, the lady was putting out the shoes, so I went ahead and went over there. And the first pair I picked up was these Nike Air Max 95s. They wanted $9 for them, and the bottoms were a little worn, but I can clean them up, you know, a little bit, and I could probably get around $80 for them on eBay. And then I saw these shoes. When she first put them out, I actually passed up on them, but then when I went back and looked at them, I said, let me just look these up on eBay. And guys, I was surprised. I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm gonna just show you guys how much these shoes are going for on eBay. Then I picked up these Nike LeBrons, and as you can see, they're in really, really good condition. And they were worn a little bit, but they only wanted $12 for them, and I could flip these on eBay for around $80 just because they were a size 12. So I went ahead and snatched these up. And then I picked up these Ken Griffey Juniors, and these actually already sold. So as you can see, they want $12 for them, and they were in really good condition, you know, not worn much. So I sold these in actually like 2 days after I listed them. Then I saw both of these shoes. The first pair was a pair of Jordan Retro 6s in the wheat colorway, size 2Y, and they only wanted $3 for them, and I could make around $30 from those. And then these Air Force 1s, they wanted $8 for them, and they're a size 7, and I could make around $40 to $45 for those. The next pair I picked up was a pair of Nike Air Max
90s in like a sock. It was like the top part was like a sock material. But I looked these up, guys, and these actually were selling for like $100 used. But because it has some paint chippings, I probably can get around $70 to $75 for these on eBay.
Then I found these Nike Air Zoom Barry Sanders shoes, size 10.5 in men. They're only asking $12 for them, but I can flip these y'all on eBay easily for over $100. All I have to do is just take these to the house, wipe down the bottom a little bit, and then list them and make that money.
Then I found these Huaraches, size 10.5. These were super clean, guys. When I was looking up the comps on eBay, these go for around $150. I can probably get up to $160 for them. They only wanted $12 for them. I'm gonna, definitely clean the bottoms up so that they look more interesting to the buyers. But I'm about to cash out on these. And then the last pair of shoes I picked up was these super clean. They were probably only worn about 2 or 3 times. But these Nike foam posits, they wanted $13 for them. As you can see, they're still super clean. There's not even a lot of wear on the ankle part. When you look at the bottoms were super clean, no rocks or anything in them. So yeah, like I went ahead and scooped these up, and I could probably flip these for around $150 on eBay.
All right, guys, that's all we have for today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. All right, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, okay? Peace.
It's time to resell. It's time to resell. In the ATL, ATL, ATL.